Drop it.
So ngayon guys, no, napapansin nyo, dito na naman ang cellphone ko, nagbabalik ngayon. Yeah bro, yeah. So I'm very thankful sa 30 subs. Napakasaya ko na po. Yes, sir, 30 subs. Kung di nyo po natatanong, 3 channel na po yung ginawa ko. Pero wala pa pong nangyari. Ito lang po yung lumago. Nung umpisa po, ano lang to 2 subs, 2 subscriber. Dalawa lang po. Ang mga sakla po nun, yung subscriber ko po, yung dalawa ko pong YouTube channel na dead na. So yun guys, napaka-thankful ko po na may 30 subs ako. Thank you. Ngayon, nalagpasan nga na natin yung 30 subs. Napakasaya ko po. Napaka-thankful ko po sa inyo. So yun, para po sa mga manonood po ng video ko, gagawa pa po ako ng maraming tutorial. Paano maglagay ng thumbnail sa video nyo sa YouTube. Paano mag-edit. Putangin na kahit ano. Comment nyo lang sa baba. Comment below kung anong gusto nyo. At huwag nyo kalimutan na like the video and subscribe. Huwag nyo kalimutan yung subscribe. So, ito gagawin ko guys. Kung magkakaroon ako ng 100 subscriber. Yes! Ayun ko na guys. Tontuwa po ako. So, if I can get 100 subs. So, you see, there's a chicken. Yeah, this chicken, let's add and make some noisy shit. But, if I can get 100 subs, I will do a full tutorial on how I edit my videos, how to make an epic intro. I'll make more vlogs if I can go 100 subs. I'm so thankful, guys. Yes. And I will make more, let's say, more action videos. Yes. And if we can get like 100,000 subs, I will do the face cam with lighting and you can see my whole motherfucking face. Yes. You can see. So yes guys. Comment below. Comment down below if you want more tutorial. If you want more tutorial, guys, comment down below. I have made my own tutorial video on how to make intro. I make also reaction video. Just go to my channel and go in the videos. You can see that. And now, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. So yes, I will repeating again. I'm very thankful for this more than 30 subscribers. I am so fucking happy, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm happy. Yes. So guys, please sub. That's all guys for today. DP out. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. I pressed the wrong button, guys. That's shit. Okay.